Welcome to our Earth Science Review. Let's go through some key concepts and their correct answers. The Paleozoic era is known as the age of fishes and amphibians. During this time, fish and amphibians were the dominant forms of life. The Paleozoic era lasted from about 542 to 251 million years ago. A hypothesis must be testable and falsifiable. This means we must be able to design experiments to test it, and there must be a way to prove it wrong if it is incorrect. It's true that animal and plant life on land was only possible after the formation of an oxygenated atmosphere and ozone layer. The ozone layer protects life from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The largest mass extinction occurred at the end of the Permian period, which was also the end of the Paleozoic era. About 95% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species went extinct. Deductive reasoning is not an obstacle to critical thinking. In fact, it helps us think critically. And remember, a scientific theory is a system of well-supported hypotheses that all agree with and support each other. Large stars do indeed end up as black holes at the end of their life, and our Earth and solar system are about 4.56 billion years old. Metabolism, the exchange of energy and materials, is indeed a fundamental property of life. And the earliest time in Earth's history was the Precambrian, followed by the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic eras. Great job reviewing these important Earth science concepts. Remember to use these facts to better understand our planet's amazing history.